Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back on another video. Today I'm going to show you what I grew. Fresh coriander. I didn't think it would actually be as good as it looks. Wow, I'm really proud. I planted some fresh mint. Wow, that's beautiful. Go to my cousin's house. She invited me on Eid party. So before I go there, I'm gonna show you the weather. Look, it's so miserable. It was raining, it's dull, but that's British weather for you. Right, before I go to my cousin's, I'm gonna go to have a shower. So I'll see you in a bit. Had a shower already. Now we're heading off to my cousin's house. There we are. Right, after the nice meal, we're heading off to get some cakes because it's my son's birthday today also. So, see you in a bit. Look at these cakesicles. It was my son's birthday today, so my daughters have bought these for him. Right, we've decided to come to petrol to put some fuel in. Got some fuel in. You just remembered need bits and bats from Tesco's. So we're going to go to Tesco's and then we're going to head home. I went to Tesco, got these milk, bread, sugar and Yorkshire tea. My daughter made me a lovely Yorkshire tea. Thank you very much. Now it's time for desserts. My son is actually treating us for his birthday, where it should be the other way around. Desserts have arrived. There's cookie doughs, milkshake, ice creams, drinks. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you like my video, comment and please do subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.